Okay, gang. Another day, and we got a little special kind of project. I got the fan on, I got the TV on, I'm watching a movie. It's a beautiful day out. So I decided to put my Teamson Home, Elegant Home Fashions, two wall cabinet, two doors together. All right, this is it. This is going to go in the bathroom. Underneath that spot on the angled wall where my towel rack was, where I removed the towel rack, this is going to go on that wall. So got it at Lowe's, wasn't super expensive. Got to put it together. It's one of those things. So I'm going to take it with me. So I'm going to do a bunch of starts and stops and see how it goes. Here's the little screw list. Comes with a bunch of, it's got these handles. I don't like these handles. I'm going to change these handles out, but that's for a different story. Okay, so yeah, it shouldn't take us too long. Look, it even comes with some glue. Wonder where we're going to use the glue, but we'll discover that. All right, so sit tight. More to come. Okay, I think I got all the parts on the table. It amazes me how they can get all these parts in a box. The box is over here. Here. Yeah, I'll show you the box. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but look. There's the box, right? Yeah, it's hard to see, I know. All right. So, first thing we got to do, I turned the fan off. I might turn it back on. First thing we need to do is explode a drawing. A, B, C, D up to I. It even gives you a kind of like a template. Yeah, template for the wall. So I'm definitely going to use that when the time comes. All right, so we're going to start with step one. Here's step one, which is the top. That's the top. Oh, wait a minute. It's at the top or the bottom? It's one or the other. We'll find out. All right. So step one, let me deal with putting step one together and we'll come back. All right, so hold on. Okay, gang. We got A done. We needed 4 dowels and a couple of these things. So now we're going to move on to C and D. We're going to do this and this. C and D is right here. So this thing's a little small, but I didn't want big, right, for that wall. I wanted kind of, I didn't want real deep, and I just wanted something that was kind of very functional, but not huge. And so that's, I think, just going to fit the bill. All right, so let's get to C and D, and we'll come back. All right. Okay, gang, C and D is ready. You got to be careful because when they do this, they paint over everything. So they painted over this stuff. So when I first started to put this in, it went in sideways. So I kind of straightened it up and screwed it in at the same time. And the paint, it's just kind of flaking off this thing here. So no big deal, as long as it doesn't, and don't over tighten, Don't go crazy with it. Just put it down and get it snug, maybe a little bit past snug, but don't over tighten it, all right? So that's step one. Let's go on to step two. Step two is, we're going to be assembling, it looks like. E, which is over there. E, okay, so E goes between, wait a minute now, let's see, E, we're doing that. Oh, okay, so we're just attaching E, and we're using these things right here. So let's get that done, and we'll come back. Okay, E is attached to D, and look at, they give you, to cover this right here, they give you little little stickers. Oh, it is yeah. So there you go. There's little stickers for it. All right, moving on. The next one is, let's see, E to D. Okay, we attached E to D. Let's flip this over. Now we're gonna lay it down and put E to C, which is over there. All right, and then we're gonna march on from there. Hold on. Okay, gang, we're moving right along. We're done with step 3, which is right here. Let's move to step 4. Step 4 is, okay, we're going to attach the head A, which is way over there, to I gotta find out. Okay, so wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, that might be the bottom. I thought it was the top, but that might be the bottom part. Yeah, because look, we got these lines here, these holes here for the shelves. So A is going to go down there. All right. So that's step 4. Be back. Okay, we're moving right along. Step 4 is done. There's the top. No, that's the bottom. That's the bottom. Yeah. Top is over here. That must be the top wrapped up. All right. Step 5 is, let's see, B. Okay, we got to get B ready with some dowels, and that's going to attach down here. Yeah, so that's step 5. That's coming up next. All right, hold on. Okay, gang. Step 5 is done. The bottom's attached. You got one built. Oh no. Okay, this is like a storage. Okay, a little storage compartment here. This is where the doors go. So let's move on to step 6. Oh shoot! Wait. Went to step 8. You don't want to skip ahead that far. All right, now we're going to put the back on. Okay, with a bunch of small screws, and then we're going to put the doors on. All right, so let me put the back on. Then I'll come back. All right, hold on. Okay, I see a potential problem. Oh, hold on one sec. Okay, gang. I see a potential problem. If you fasten the back down all the way, and the cabinet's a little cattywampus, that's going to put your doors at askew. So I'm going to put a few screws in, but I'm not going to cinch it all down because I want to wait till I put the doors on from the opposite side so I can see how out of square it is, if you follow what I'm saying. So let me do that. Come back. All right, gang. All the screws are in, but they're not anywhere near tight. They're just in far enough to where it makes them so they don't want to fall out. All right, so now I'm going to work on the doors, and I'm going to flip it over. Not too bad. Like I said, I didn't want anything gargantuan, right? This is going to go on that angled wall. It only comes out like 7 or so inches. And remember that spot, I wanted that spot to going to be shining on it. And it also comes with a bottom part that I'm going to get as well, that sits on the floor. So, all right, let me work on the door hinges. All right, here's what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to put this on its side and see if I can do this kind of easily. This wants to go here. Yeah, that's going to be an easier way to do it. Something like that. All right, let me work on that. But that's how I'm going to do that. So hold on. All right, this is what I did. I have yet to screw it in, but I just used some of the styrofoam blocking just to bring it up. So my hinges rest nice and easy against that. So it makes it a little bit easier to assemble it. All right. Oops. Hold on. All right, we've got one door on. But look at the hardware. This is like, so I scavenged one off one of my cabinets in the house. I just wanted to see what it's going to look. But look, this is the one it came with, and this is what I'm going to put on. So definitely like these. Nicer. I got these at Lowe's, I think. I hope they still have them because that was a while ago. So anyway, that's the new door handle, and I can already tell it looks pretty good. But I'm still not going to tighten up the back until I get it all. Until I get the other door on, and then we're going to see where we are. All right, hold on. I'm just kind of showing you. Let me get you